Well, let's see what we got here. It's the aftermath of the big blizzard, and it's we got 2 feet. Got 2 feet of snow here, and I got to walk out to the barn to get to the Jeep, and I'm not going to clear this by hand because it's a lot of work to get through this thing, a little drift here, and then once I'm past this, looks like it drops down a little bit. It's gonna be hard it's gonna be hard work. It's gonna be hard work. Wow. The hard work just walking here. I guess this is what, if you had snowshoes, this would be a perfect thing for snowshoes. There's the barn, and I'll get there. Normally you take about 3 seconds to get there. But today it's going to be a little bit longer. Wow. Not bad. I think I'm going to have to do double runs with the Jeep. And set the plow part way down, cut through, and then work my way around, go back and forth, and so it packs it a little bit where the tracks of the tires are, but that's okay because 3 of our 4 vehicles are 4-wheel drive. So I'll clear this. I gotta clear the doors, and then I got to work.